everyone, good time. Let's crochet this beautiful applique. Halloween applique. For this project, I'm using cotton yarns, for example this one, and 2.5mm crochet hook. For the pumpkin, make a slip knot. Chain 11. Skip the first chain. Into the second chain back bump. If you turn the chain, you see some tiny bumps behind. For example, this one. For this round, I'm going to use these back bumps. So skipping the first chain, into the second chain back bump, create a single crochet. For single crochet, insert the hook into the loop, pull up the yarn, 2 loops on the hook, yarn over and pull it through the 2 loops. This is called a single crochet. Create 1 single crochet in each chain back bump. And 10. I have 10 single crochet. Round 2, chain 1 and turn. 2 single crochet in first stitch. Here I'm using stitches, and this is the first space I have. 2 single crochet into this stitch. 1 single crochet in next 9 stitches. And this is the 9th stitch. I have 11 single crochet, and in fact I had an increase at the beginning of the round. By increase I mean 2 single crochet into 1 stitch. Round 3, chain 1, turn. You should start each round with chain 1 and turning. Round 3, single crochet in each stitch. 1 decrease at the end. Nine. I have 2 single crochet remained. Now I need to have a decrease. By decrease I mean making 2 single crochet into 1 single crochet. For this, insert the hook into the first stitch, pull up the yarn, and insert the hook into the last stitch and pull up the yarn. 3 loops on the hook, yarn over and pull it through all 3 loops. Chain 1 and turn. Round 4, 1 single crochet in each stitch. 10 single crochet. Chain 1 and turn. Round 5, 1 single crochet in each stitch, 3 single crochet into the last one. I'm going to have an increase of 3. 1 single crochet, And into last one, 3 single crochet and 3, chain 1 and turn. In fact, I'm having decreases and increases on this side. This side is as normal. Round 6, 1 single crochet in each stitch. 1, 2, 3, 12 single crochet, chain 1 and turn. Round 7, 10 single crochet, 1 decrease at the end. Single crochet in each stitch. And decrease. Chain 1, turn. Round 8, 1 decrease at the beginning of the round and 1 single crochet in each stitch. Decrease, single crochet in next 10 stitches. Round 9, single crochet in each stitch, 3 single crochet into the last stitch. 1, 2, 3. Round 10, 1 decrease at the beginning, 1 single crochet in each stitch by the end. So 1 decrease, 1 single crochet in each stitch. Round 11, 1 single crochet in each stitch, 1 decrease at the end. Decrease. I have 10 single crochet. Round 12, 1 increase at the beginning of the round and 1 single crochet in each stitch. Round 13, 1 single crochet in each stitch, 1 increase at the end, 2 single crochet into last stitch. Round 14, skip the first stitch and make next 2 stitches into 1 stitch, in fact having a decrease. Single crochet in each stitch. Round 15, 1 single crochet in each stitch and 1 decrease at the end. And fasten off. For the white part, make a slip knot and chain 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Skip the first 2 chains into the third chain. Create 1 half double crochet. For half double crochet, yarn over. Insert the hook into the third chain. Pull up the yarn. There are 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over. Pull it through all 3 loops. This is a half double crochet. 1 half double crochet in each chain. 2, 3, 4, 5. Row 1 is over. For row 2, chain 2 and turn. 1 half double crochet in each stitch. You should have the similar number of stitches at the end, 9 half double crochet. chain 2 and turn. Repeat round 2. 1/2 double crochet in each stitch. Chain 2 and turn. Now I want to have a 1/2 double crochet decrease at the beginning and at the end of this round. For decrease, yarn over, insert the hook into the first stitch, pull up the yarn. Insert the hook into the second stitch, pull up the yarn. 4 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull it through 4 loops. This is a decrease. 1/2 double crochet in next stitches until you have 2 stitches remained. 1 decrease, 5 1/2 double crochet, another decrease here. Chain 2, turn. Again, 1 decrease at the beginning and 1 decrease at the end. Decrease, 3 1/2 double crochet, 3 and another decrease. Chain 1 and turn. Skip the first stitch. Insert the hook into the second stitch, pull up the yarn. Insert the hook into the next stitch, pull up the yarn. Yarn over, pull it through all 3 loops. Insert the hook into the next stitch, pull up the yarn, and into the last stitch, pull up the yarn. 3 loops on the hook, yarn over, and pull it through all 3 loops and fasten off. This is the head. For the hands, make a magic ring. Chain 2, 1 2, 1 double crochet into the ring, yarn over, insert the hook into the ring, pull up the yarn, 3 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull it through the first 2 loops, yarn over, pull it through the last 2 loops, chain 2 and a slip stitch into the ring. Insert the hook into the ring, pull up the yarn. Pull this yarn through this loop on the hook. Close the ring and fasten off. For the ribbon, make a magic ring. Chain 2. Create 2 double crochet into the ring. 1 2, again chain 2 and a slip stitch into the ring. Chain 2, 2 double crochet into the ring, chain 2, slip stitch into the ring. Now close the ring and fasten off. And this is the ribbon. My Halloween applique is over. Hope you like it and enjoyed this tutorial. To watch the other tutorials, don't forget to subscribe. Happy crochet!